Like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego.
Hey y'all, my name is Ashanti. If you're new, I have a special guest. Well, he's not that special. I mean, y'all see him all the time. What's your name? And this is my boyfriend of 5 years, which is crazy. So Luna wants to be in the shot apparently. We're gonna be making banana pudding with you guys, and I'm gonna be asking Gabriel questions about me to see how well he knows me after 5 years. You guys hear the AC in the background, please ignore it. It is 72 degrees in here and that air is not going off. Also, you probably hear our dogs walking. If you know, you know. I'm gonna wash my hands and Beva's gonna wash his hands. If you're wondering why he looks so short, he's sitting down. Tell him why you wanted to sit down.
Because I'm a hard-working man. Rude.
Sorry. Or you can fend for yourself. Being a mom is hard. Y'all are getting the iPhone quality today because your girl didn't charge her camera and it's already pretty late and we need to get this video rolling. And also, if you guys like my outfit, I got it from Walmart. And this is my papa's recipe, and my papa has passed away. So we're gonna tell you what you're gonna need if you wanna make it with us.
Vanilla instant pudding.
You wanna get the vanilla one, and you wanna make sure it's instant if you wanna make it how we're making it. We got the 2% reduced fat milk, and this is just what this said get, but I'm pretty sure any milk will be fine.
The bananas.
Some whipped cream, ASMR.
And this is yellow wafer.
What happened to vanilla?
It's like Nella wafers. I mean, it's vanilla wafers, but Nella wafers.
I know. Did it always say Nella?
I thought it was vanilla.
That's what I was saying. What happened to the vanilla?
It took me a while to think. I was like, oh, vanilla wafers.
Okay, do you want to cut up the bananas or do you want to lay the cookies?
You asking me if I want the cookies on the bottom or the bananas on the bottom?
No, I'm saying what task do you want to do? Do you want to cut up the bananas or do you want to lay the cookies?
I'm a cookie.
That's what he said. Looks like I got the hard job of cutting up the bananas. Actually, let me get my fancy cutting board. Really hope you guys can see because I'm recording with my back camera for once, trying to give y'all that good quality. I really don't know if we're in frame or not. But the first thing, Beba's gonna lay a layer of cookies on the bottom, and then he's gonna put it up on the side while I cut up the bananas. Lulu, can you move your big head? First question, Beba. They do smell good. I just found these random questions online. And another thing, the correct way to peel a banana is from this way. Okay? Look how easy this is. Do it from the side. Always take the banana strings off because who likes banana strings? And this is what I mean by banana strings. What's my biggest dream?
Is to be famous, YouTube famous. You want to be big on YouTube and to be famous.
When he says famous, he's not talking about like singer famous. He's talking about like YouTube famous.
Yeah, you want to be known. You want to be a popular YouTuber.
I just want to be a humble, known YouTuber. Because some people take famous as the wrong way. I don't want to be misinterpreted.
Yeah, you ain't going to switch up on them.
Yeah. What's my favorite color? I have two, so you should be able to get it.
You had multiple colors throughout the years. It was pink. It was a green that you like.
So what's my favorite color?
I'm going to go with pink. That's the safest. I know that you like a rose gold at one time.
That was more when we first started dating.
Yeah.
Not anymore. That's so 2019.
See, that's what I'm saying. You had so many colors. Pink.
What type of pink? You should know this.
I don't want to be wrong. Neon pink.
Well, I do like neon pink, but it's not my favorite. But no.
Hot pink.
No, that's
no. Not hot pink. No. Dang. But like pink?
Yes.
You can give me that pink. I said
okay,
pink.
yeah. I need a shade because, like I said, hot pink is my least favorite shade of pink. I do not like hot pink. It's crazy because the first thing you said was right. You said pink and green. Sage green and light pink is my favorite colors, which if you look at my description down below, you would know that.
Don't be coming for me. Don't make me ask you questions.
Ooh, what the heck? There's been a mosquito or something. If you ask me questions, I'll get them all right. There's not a bug on me, buddy. You didn't even look when you said no.
Because it felt like something was on me for a second.
Let's say no. Okay, but I know something flew on me. what goals do I want to reach this year?
You didn't know that?
He does know the one big goal I want to reach, but I'm not going to say it yet because I don't want to jinx it.
Wow.
These bananas are good.
I told you that's not smell sweet.
Which of my siblings is my favorite?
Cheyenne. Buddy is annoying too.
Buddy doesn't watch my videos, so he won't see this.
You love your brother, but you think he's annoying sometimes.
I mean, who doesn't think their little brother's annoying?
But you and Cheyenne, y'all are close.
I don't know if they know this.
Basically twins.
Me and Cheyenne are literally 10 months apart, which I don't know if you guys knew that. Me and my brother is, wait, let me do the math. 16. Me and my brother are 5 years apart. Who would I talk to if everything in my life went wrong? If it wasn't you, who would it be? Girl. She's back here playing with her bowls. You already know. Give 2 months about everything. Yes. What's my favorite ice cream?
Blue straps.
Yes.
My days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on going.
My Bebba's putting the bananas up there. Sorry if you hear Luna playing with her bowls because she's weird and likes playing with her bowls. And yes, she's 8, so she's not hungry. And there's water literally right there, so she's not thirsty. Am I a dog person or a cat person?
Dog.
I'm obviously a cat person. We have 4 dogs. I'm just kidding. I'm obviously a dog person. What do you think my first impression of you was? If you guys have seen our How We Met story time, we're going to talk about from what do you think my impression of you was when I was talking to you in front of the school. Watch our story time of How We Met if you want to know what I'm talking about.
I might have to watch that too.
Oh my gosh. You know exactly what I'm talking about.
I might have to watch that too. I gotta jog my memory.
You don't remember us in front of the school while y'all were doing that football stuff when I first actually talked to you. Are you saying for real? Stop
I'm
joking.
being that
You're making me upset about this.
I'm sorry. Recall my memory.
Oh my gosh. You know exactly what I'm talking about.
Oh, I do know what you're talking about. Oh, you saw during a pep rally.
Yes.
Why you just didn't say that?
Football meeting in front of the school. Did I not give you pep?
I mean, it could have been anything. I mean, you could have said a pep rally.
You know I've been emotional these last couple days. You just had to make me cry. You may be wondering why you haven't seen me for 2 weeks.
She's been off the meds.
That's for real. I haven't been on my medicine and my emotions have been haywire and I've been acting like a crazy person. I just have anxiety and you know how life goes with anxiety. But I was literally about to stab you if you didn't know that story.
Lock her up.
No, lock you up. These are naughty questions. What the heck? It says, what I have.
Oh my gosh, I know that's enough.
Yeah, you're right. Do you really want to get stabbed? I'm definitely cutting that out. I'm really about to stab you.
I got my cookies falling.
You getting nervous. You getting scared of it.
Because you're talking about stabbing me. Who wouldn't be scared?
What is my zodiac?
I already know how you talking.
What is it?
Scorpio.
Yep, you know me so well.
Crazy. I'm calling for help.
What would I do with my money if I had all the money in the world?
You never told me that.
I mean, I would be the richest person, so what would I not do? That's the real question.
Right. That was terrible. I mean, obviously, you will buy everybody a house.
Yeah.
And hopefully invest it. You could put more time into like the stuff that you want to do, like the rugs and your YouTube.
Have I ever had a problematic relationship? Yes, the one I'm currently in.
Friendship, relationship, any type of shit.
I don't know. I just wanted to critique our relationship.
Past week has been challenging though. I should tell on you how you've been treating me.
I don't know what you're talking about. I do not recall.
I've been yelled at.
I recall. I made him salty. See, he only got one thing on me. I am a good girlfriend. Talking about something I'm being yelled at. What else? That's it.
I just want to be left alone. I don't want to be around anybody.
You can't expose me like that.
Kick me out the house. I just want to be home alone.
Why are you exposing me like this and be the one you love?
You exposed yourself first saying you was emotional.
You didn't have to go in detail. What's my favorite food?
On a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, or the weekend.
You think I have a favorite food for every day of the week? Are you trying to call me fat or something?
No.
Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure other girls can relate. Like, don't y'all want y'all's man to show you off? Instagram, on Snapchat. He don't ever show me off.
I just don't care for social media.
Yeah, he don't post anyway, so but he could still post me because I'm fine.
Yeah. Maybe I just want to keep y'all to myself. I'm selfish.
So, I want to walk on to a fight. I've got lip gloss on your cheek. I'm going to mix up the pudding and then I'm going to get back with you guys. What the heck just happened? Hey, why are you wiping my kiss off? My ring light cut off. What the hell?
My face all sticky.
I'm sorry the ring light cut off. It's probably overheated or something. I hope it didn't blow because your girl don't got money to replace that.
Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had.
Finished mixing the pudding. Here she is. It's very hard to show you, but trust, she's in there and she's jiggling. Now we're gonna pour the banana pudding in. After you have your pudding laid out,
Things are cool without you, like you. But I'm hurting my you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on going.
let's get some of them right now.
I don't want to play anything.
Am I more dominant or submissive?
You try to be dominant, but you're not yet.
I think that's not true. I think I wear the pants a lot in our
You
relationship.
try to be dominant, but you can't be dominant because you're too soft. I'm not scared of you. I can't take you seriously. I'll laugh.
You weren't laughing when I was yelling at you.
I know, because that was hurtful. You was just being mean.
Okay, all I did was call you annoying. All I did was call him and my brother annoying because they were being annoying.
You annoying and you annoying too. That's how you did. You said you annoying and you annoying too. I was like, damn. I'm like, what'd I do? I didn't even do nothing. I ain't say nothing. I remember when I couldn't make you laugh.
Yeah. In the beginning of our relationship, I thought it wasn't that funny. I did not find him funny.
She didn't like my sense of humor.
But now I laugh at you all the time, so it doesn't matter.
Because you finally get it. You finally get it.
I've been around you too long. Funny thing is, I would always have him laughing. I'm funnier than you.
You just say stuff that you wouldn't expect. Something that you wouldn't expect you to say, you just say it. Like, bruh, that was so random.
Would I rather be rich and sad or poor and happy?
Well, we're poor and sad right now, so I take rich and sad.
Yeah. That's good. Do you think I prefer humor or loyalty?
Loyalty.
Yeah. I don't care if you're funny. You better be loyal.
I want funny in the beginning.
I think I started something.
Okay.
What's simp?
You're a simp too.
That's a good question.
What?
Out of all the shows that we watch, what show would you want to be on?
Will I know it's fake or will I be living like it's real?
Living like it's real.
I would want to be in Vampire Diaries. I want to be a witch for real, for real.
If I had to answer the same question,
You want to be in Cobra Kai?
how did you read my mind? What the freak? I was thinking that. That was the first thing that came to my mind. I swear that was the first thing that came to my mind. I'm gonna name the ones that's obvious now. Young Sheldon.
We just finished Young Sheldon and we cried.
I give you Cobra Kai.
Question is, what superpower would you like to have? And you said invisibility. I would want telepathy.
Ooh, that's a good one. Look at you.
Oh, I didn't even know. Sorry. I literally didn't. Then we run and take the rest of what's in the bag and crumble it up there. Dang it, I put so much right there.
You wanna know what else would be a good one? Like with the TV show, Stranger Things.
I would not want to live in that.
I thought it would be lit though.
Having to fight demigorgons and the upside down, you can have that. So we're finally finished. Here's our banana pudding. We're actually gonna come back to you guys tomorrow when we give this a taste test, so you guys know it's thebomb.com. So until then, we'll catch y'all later.
In your eye, I'm sorry. You move. I was trying to get their nose.
Oh my gosh.
Did it get in your eye?
No, I closed my eyes before you stabbed me. I was literally had a knife in my hand.
Oh shit. Use that.
Is it off?
No, I still feel it.
No, I know it's off of you. I can see you. It's off of me.
Yeah, it's off. It won't off because I still felt it.
What? Bye. So it is now the next day. Luna's throwing a toot because her little cousin is here. So please ignore that. And by little cousin, I mean, let me show y'all. Our kids are jealous because their little cousin is over. She just had a bath. That's why she looks like a rat. We washed my Philandies now since I touched the dog. Our banana pudding has been refrigerating almost 24 hours. And we're about to taste it for y'all. Here she is. And Bebe's going to take the lid off. Here she is in her glory. Good. Jinx. So what would you rate our banana pudding?
A 10.
A 10? I would rate it a 10 too because we made it. Good job. I'm watching you.
What?
Keep that finger to yourself. Or I'm gonna throw this whole thing in your face if you won't flick. I don't trust you.
What's something on your shirt?
So this is the end of the video. Stop playing with my emotions.
I didn't say nothing.
You didn't say nothing. It's your actions.
I didn't do anything. Not before you get something.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to try out our banana pudding recipe. I'm pretty sure it's a basic recipe. I don't know. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Catch you guys in my next one. I love you guys. Bye.